All right, good morning and welcome back to the NY session 2 for the day. It is 9:30 a.m. Eastern now, and let's get started with the wave structure in the euro. As discussed in the last session, uh, euro is kind of unfolding at least three waves right now, it looks like. But it is quite possible that it is going to unfold into five waves or subdivide into five waves, possibly. That could be wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3, sharp little wave 4, and then a fifth wave higher. We kind of take the extension of, let's assume that the third wave is up there and wave 4, so it's kind of going towards 1.16 and possibly even higher. Now, this is with respect to the fact that prices should stay above 3090. That is the termination of wave 1 up there. If prices break below the 3096 mark, it would be a 3 waves down followed by a 3 waves up. So 3 down followed by 3 up, and it could be an expanded flat structure in the making. All right, so that having said that, uh, we'll keep an eye on the 38 point. We'll keep an eye on the 1396 mark. Uh, a break below that would confirm that we are into an expanded flat wave 4 minute. Otherwise, it would be a further extension of the third wave minute, which is still not complete. It would indicate that the third wave minute is still not complete, and possibly it can go and hit the 1.16 mark before terminating. All right, and one more. We try and extend this rally. Again, it is showing towards 1.1644. So it's quite possible that we might have to move this minute wave 3 up to 1.1644, right there as well. Okay, before we can expect a corrective decline. All right. So let's wait for a few more hours and see how the fourth wave is unfolding, or as a sharp wave, as a sharp correction, sorry, possibly towards the 38.2%. It's around 1.1481. All right, it's so if it is bouncing back from the 1481 mark, then it would be a certain confirmation that we are in a fourth wave of a lesser degree, and the fifth wave should be on anytime soon. This is what happens, I think, or so either minute wave 3 is unfolding, or minute wave 4 could also move up there, indicating the fifth wave in progress. All right. Uh, we will have to sit back aside for a while and see how price action is reacting around 1.14880 levels, and we'll take it from there on. If the third wave is unfolding and if it is well poised to terminate above 1.16, then a hypothetical extension of the same and pull back to wave 4 would confirm that the third wave extension is going up towards 1.19, 1.2 actually, which is in line with what we had done in the past as well. The only thing is that intraday short-term traders have been out of the trade since we suggested last week to take profits, correct? And positional traders are still partially on, so that's a good sign. But uh, I mean, please look to book your profits, most of them around 1.16, because we had suggested 90% profit booking, around 80 to 90% profit booking around the previous low, around 1.1475. But at around 1.1615, you can 1.1640, sorry, please consider taking complete profits even positionally, and then we look to buy again on a pullback thereafter. All right, that's the plan. And let's view for the dollar index. The price action is shaping up. We've got the 8 cap price action back, or 8 cap feedback. So I think I would be better off moving this wave 3 down, up, down there, which was in anticipation with what we discussed even the last week. Let me take an extension. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if we look at the targets, it is just hitting the targets right now. At 98.25. Right, so I think we'd be better off to now shift this path a bit higher, a bit on the right hand side, sorry, and that is the third wave termination, so Fibonacci lower as well. Now I think we should be fine with the potential wave 4 rally towards 100.50, right? Or maybe one more shallow low could be left, but I think we are now good to remain flat, in the sense that we still have one more wave to go, so we will re-look to enter on the short side around the 134. We booked profits in the portal, both gold and both euro and the dollar index early morning today. So we remain flat for now, but we look to sell higher again. All right, and the hypothetical extension of the last wave, if you allow me to do so, please. Around 95.46, and it can go all the way up 293 as well now. So that is a huge decline from what we were expecting earlier. We were expecting around 95 bottom formation, but it could extend further as well. All right. So so that's the story in the dollar index. Next is gold, which continues to print higher highs despite the fact that there is a good bearish divergence scenario. All right. So that 4-hour chart is inching up, but the hourly chart is still producing a good bearish divergence. There you are. As far as the Fibonacci ratios are concerned of the last wave, after we adjusted the third wave rally, now there are two counts coming up very clearly. One of them is third wave extended, and now we've got wave 4 and 5, and the targets for the fifth wave were pointing towards 33.74, which is already exceeded now around, and it's printed around 34.20 highs. But that's still under the vicinity of the price action, right? Now, if a major top is in place, then there would be a bearish reversal soon back towards 32.86 if a top is in place. Otherwise, the other possibility is instead of wave 3, that is wave 1 of 5, in case minute 5 is extending. So that would be 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and the 3 of 5 is still unfolding. And the third wave could extend all the way towards 34.99. If that happens, then we are more or less sure that uh, minute wave 5 is extending, and then we would have wave 4 lower and 5 higher thereafter. All right. So that is the story of in gold, and let's move ahead. GBP USD we are flat, so let's straight away look at the price action of Bitcoin. Okay, we are still waiting for price action to rally through the 90,000 mark, but it's okay if aggressive traders want to pitch in some short positions here as well, because RSI is quite stretched towards the 75, but it's not producing any kind of a divergence, mind you. So it could still be a 5, a 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe one more high is left. Better we wait for one more high towards 9093 zone before reversing in Bitcoin, rather than committing ourselves a bit premature here. All right, and the last one, the Dow Jones. Again, a bit of sideways action. The boundary which is still under consideration is between the 45,000 mark and 37,000 lows. We are still possibly within an impulse in the making. That could be wave 3, 4, and if the fifth wave is on, then we might see a flash print lower towards the 35,000 levels as well. Otherwise, this could be a neat little 3 up, 3 down, and possibly another 5 wave rally. In that case, wave 3 must be extending, and it's possibly wave 3 is extending, or we have an ABC, another ABC higher, and then 5 waves lower going forward. All right. So that's the story, but Bitcoin is absolutely sell on rallies. We still have a short position active. Maybe I think we are getting about 2,000 points there. So right after this session, I'll be taking profits there. and we will look to sell higher again. All right. So that's the those are the stories right now as we push through the New York session, and we'll be back again as per schedule. And until that time, thanks again for watching, and until the next one, please to take care and God bless. Goodbye.